NCERT and ESSC solutions. So today we are learning the chapter 2.2, the worth of a fabric. Tiruvalluvar was a great Tamil saint poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. Tirukural is the book of his teachings. It is greatly loved and respected even today. Tiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. He wove beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in the market. People said that he never got angry, never used bad words, never shouted at anyone. In the same town there lived in a rich young man. He wasted most of his time roaming around with his friends. They often made fun of other people. I don't believe what people say about this Valluvar, said the young man, and one day I am sure I can make him angry. Come on, let's have some fun today. So the arrogant young man approached Tiruvalluvar in market and picked up a beautiful piece of fabric. How much does the whole fabric cost? He asked. 8 coins. The saint named the price. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore into two parts. What's the price of piece now? 4 coins. The saint answered politely. The youth of taken aback, why doesn't the man get angry? He thought. He then tore the half piece into half again, and now 2 coins was the answer. Now it was the young man who became impatient and agitated. He tore the pieces into half again and again, saying, and now, what's the price now? Tiruvalluvar was calmly went on the reducing the price on half every time. At last the fabric was reduced to the rags, so Tiruvalluvar said in a quiet tone, now the fabric is worthless. I will not name any price for these rags. The young man did not know what to say, but he was proud of his riches, so he offered to pay 8 coins to the saint for the first time. Tiruvalluvar smiled, but he refused to take the money. Young man, now the fabric of this no use. It has become worthless. Why? Because no one will be able to wear it now. Do you know the fabric was not made in a one day? Many people have toiled to make it. The farmer who grabbed cotton in the field worked hard for months through and sun and rain. He picked cotton from each ball and gave it a spinning. Then someone else carded the cotton ball and spun into a long uniform threads. The threads were dyed carefully so that they took on these lovely colors. My wife and I wove these threads together, putting in a fabric beautiful designs. We thought someday someone will like this fabric, will happy to wear this. Then all our work would have been rewarded. When you destroyed the fabric, you destroyed all the love and labor that went into its making. Money cannot bring it back. The softly spoken word touched the young man's heart. Now he was really ashamed of himself. And do you know, Tiruvalluvar went to say, I can leave another fabric like this, but our life is also like a fabric. If you tore apart his hasty, truthless actions, it will be destroyed and you will not get it back again. Tiruvalluvar's words opened the young man's eyes. There and then he decided to give up his idleness and bad habits. Meanings are ball poured on the cotton plant, spinning, process of making yarn or thread out of cotton wool, carded, clean and comb to remove seeds, spun, drave out and twisted cotton to make yarn or thread, rewarded. When one is rewarded, one gets what he was worth. idleness, laziness. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.